Who are the highest paid models in the world in 2026? These aren't just runway stars, they're global business forces. From Paris to New York, from luxury campaigns to personal empires, these women turned modeling into multi-million-dollar industries. Let's count down the top 10 highest paid models of 2026, including their estimated earnings, where they're from, and the major brands that helped build their empires. Number 10, Douzen Kroes from Netherlands. Estimated earnings $8 to $10 million a year. Douzen Kroes is one of Europe's most recognized supermodels. She rose to global fame through her work with Victoria's Secret, L'Oreal, and luxury campaigns for brands like Versace and Tiffany & Co. Her timeless beauty keeps her relevant across international markets. Even in 2026, major beauty and fashion houses continue investing in her classic elegance. Number 9, Miranda Kerr from Australia. Estimated earnings $10 to $12 million a year. Miranda Kerr became globally famous as a Victoria's Secret angel, but today she earns heavily through her skincare brand and partnerships with luxury labels like Dior and Louis Vuitton. She successfully transitioned from runway star to business powerhouse. Her diversified income keeps her among the highest paid models worldwide. Number 8, Cara Delevingne from United Kingdom. Estimated earnings $12 to $15 million a year. Cara is known for her bold personality and strong runway presence with brands like Chanel, Burberry, and Dior. She balances modeling with acting, making her a cross-industry star. Luxury houses value her edgy image and strong cultural influence. Number 7, Rosie Huntington-Whiteley from United Kingdom. Estimated earnings $15 to $20 million a year. Rosie built her career through campaigns with Burberry, Victoria's Secret, and luxury beauty collaborations. Her refined, sophisticated aesthetic makes her a favorite for premium fashion houses. She has also built strong authority in the beauty and lifestyle industry. Number 6, Adriana Lima from Brazil. Estimated earnings $20 to $25 million a year. Adriana Lima is one of the most iconic supermodels in history, famously associated with Victoria's Secret, Maybelline, and high-fashion brands like Versace. Her global recognition still commands major endorsement deals. Even years after peak runway dominance, her brand value remains powerful. Number 5, Liu Wen from China. Estimated earnings $20 to $25 million a year. Liu Wen is one of Asia's most influential supermodels, working with global luxury giants like Chanel, Estée Lauder, and Louis Vuitton. She represents the massive Asian luxury market. Her international runway presence keeps her among the highest earners globally. Number 4, Bella Hadid from United States. Estimated earnings around $28 million a year. Bella Hadid is one of the most in-demand runway models of this generation. She regularly works with Dior, Versace, Balenciaga, and Fendi. Her strong editorial presence keeps her booked season after season. She combines high fashion credibility with major commercial appeal. Number 3, Gigi Hadid from United States. Estimated earnings $35 to $40 million a year. Gigi Hadid dominates both runway and campaigns, collaborating with brands like Tommy Hilfiger, Versace, and Maybelline. She has also launched successful fashion collaborations. Her massive global fan base increases her brand value significantly. Number 2, Gisele Bündchen from Brazil. Estimated earnings $30 to $40 million a year. Gisele Bündchen is a legendary supermodel associated with long-term contracts from brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Pantene. Even with reduced runway appearances, her endorsement power remains unmatched. Decades of influence keep her among the wealthiest models in the world. And number 1, Kendall Jenner from United States. Estimated earnings $40 to $60 million a year. Kendall Jenner remains the highest paid model in 2026. She has worked with powerhouse brands including Chanel, Balmain, Givenchy, and Calvin Klein. Beyond modeling, her business ventures and massive social media presence amplify her income dramatically. She represents the modern era of model entrepreneur dominance. From Brazil to China, from Europe to America, these women turned modeling into global empires. The fashion industry in 2026 is not just about walking the runway, it's about influence, branding, and business strategy. If you enjoyed this ranking, like, subscribe, and tell me which supermodel defines this generation.